Hi everyone, welcome to Creation Tea YouTube channel. This is a handmade wooden carving crafted from premium mahogany wood, known for its rich color, strength and durability. Mahogany is ideal for fine artistic work because it holds detail beautifully and lasts for generations. This particular design is something very special. We used AI technology to create the basic concept. Combine modern innovation with our deep-rooted traditional craftsmanship. The artificial intelligence gave us a unique base pattern, but the human touch our creativity. Skill and emotion brought it to life. The carving is decided to be used as a support ring behind a Buddha statue, also known as a halo or Prabhamandala. It serves not just as a decorative frame but as a spiritual symbol. The circular shape represents confidence and flow of energy, while the natural elements within reflects peace, life and the cycle of nature. We started the frozen by selecting a dry and solid piece of chiseled mahogany. Wood selection is crucial. It ensures strength, stability and a beautiful final look. Once chosen, we carefully draw the pattern by hand using pencil, ruler and compass to maintain symmetry and accuracy. The carving was done mostly by hand, but with the help of modern tools like router, trimmer and select chisels. These modern hand tools help us achieve great accuracy, smoothness and efficiency, allowing us to bring more detail into the design while saving time. First, we carved the outer border with the Greek key pattern, a timeless design representing infinity and harmony. It frames the entire piece and gives it a sense of balance. Next, we focused on the central tree. Every branch and curve was shaped with patience and precision. The tree symbols life, growth and spiritual development. Around the edges, we added blooming roses, each one carved individually to capture the delicate layers of petals and natural curves. After all the carving was complete, we moved to sanding stage, gently smoothing the entire surface. Then we applied the coat of natural wood oil, which protects the surface and enhances the wooden deep color. The final result is a fusion of heritage and technology, a piece that honors tradition, embraces innovations and reflects craftsmanship. We hope this creation brings a sense of serenity, beauty and inspiration everyone who sees it. Thanks for watching.